Welcome to Shelter Food and Beer. This is a grapefruit session from Final Draft, local brewery in Northern California. We're having really good weather here, and so here we are the first week in November, and it's still barbecue season. Tonight I'm going to go in a different direction, and I'm going to talk about the future of protein. And we've heard about the restaurants getting the meatless burgers, the Beyond Burger. I've picked up, not for the first time, some Beyond sausage, and this is a meatless version of a brat, a link, a hot dog, whatever, and they're really good. They get most of their protein from the pea, what is that, the pea isolate. They get less than 2% of protein from rice and fava beans also. So it is vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, it's gluten free. It's a pretty amazing meat, and as a meat lover myself and a hot dog lover, these fill the void. So it has 190 calories per dog and 16 grams of protein. Basically, what we're doing here is you're cutting out the middleman, where a farmer used to grow the vegetables and feed them to the cows, and then we eat the cows. Now we just eat the vegetables. We cut out the middleman, the cow. A nice low bed of charcoal, a little wood in there for a little smoke. I want to get a good char on these dogs, so I'm going to just slowly cook them, turn them over, and keep rotating them until they get a nice char and grill flavor on them. They surprisingly cook a lot like a regular hot dog. They recommend that you spread a little oil on them before you grill them, but I've done it before. You don't need anything on them, just as they are. These are my tiny little Kaiser buns that I'm going to use for my dogs. Just wrap them up in foil, like so. And heat them up indirectly. Flame up just like a regular dog would over the flame, so you gotta watch them, make sure they don't catch fire. They have a fantastic sausage flavor to them. They would work good in a scrambled, or to use them in a country gravy. And all you vegetarians that haven't had a real good country gravy in a long time, this is the Beyond meat you need to use for it. Obviously, because it's vegetarian, that isn't pig casings or whatever it is. It's tasty, and it gets nice and crispy. And I'm rotating these dogs 4 times and cooking them a little longer than recommended. They say you only have to cook these for 6 minutes over 500 degree heat. This is a little lower heat and a lot longer to get the char and the smoke flavor on it. Gonna be good. There they are, the finished product. They will stick to your grill a little more than a regular hot dog because they are a plant-based food item. But my buns are hot, my dogs are done. Set up a little plate. My wife made a cantaloupe and cucumber salad, and I have gone very blonde with this Italian beer. We're simply gonna augment the dog with some tomato jam and some smoked cheese, which is vegetarian. That sausage flavor in this meatless dog is unbelievable. I completely recommend Beyond sausage. A whole new world.